Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. This is a CHRYSLER 300 SRT8. This casting is by Greenlight, and if you haven't heard about Greenlight, they make castings which are slightly better detailed compared to Hot Wheels Premium. They are around the same price bracket and they compete with, I think, manufacturers like Johnny Lightning, Auto World. They are not the most detailed vehicles, but they still have a lot of good details. This one was a open one. Somebody was selling the toy show. I liked it. So you can still see a lot of things from here. But I'm gonna take it out of the box so we can look it properly. So here it is out of the box. First thing first, it's finished in nice black paint. Looks really good. And since we're on the side, you can see it has got some nicely detailed wheels, and it actually looks like the actual wheels you're going to get on the car. I think it looks really good. Now going to the front. So in the front, you can see there are some better details. You've got painted grille, headlamp, which is made of that acrylic or plastic material. It's not a painted one. You also get fog lamps in the bottom and a grille surround. You can see the Chrysler badge, both the mirrors, windshield wipers, and also the black surround around the windshield, which looks good. Now coming to the driver's side, we already talked about the wheels, which look good. You also get both the door handles and fuel filler on the driver's side. You can also see the blacked out B-pillar and the trim that goes around, and mirror, which is, I don't know if it came painted from Greenlight like that, but has that silver finish on it. On the back, again, good details. You can see tail lamp, which is detailed. Got the Chrysler badge, stop lamp, SRT8 badge, twin exhaust, and a number plate which reads 5BB92DX, I guess. Yeah. If your eyes are stronger than me, go ahead, have a look. Now on the passenger side, looks almost identical. The only difference, the fuel filler. This is how it looks from the top, and this is how it looks from the bottom. So you can see it has metal base and some details. You see exhaust going. Also the tires are rubber, so they're straight on that one. And interior seems to be finished in black or gray. Actually it's gray, it's dark gray. I don't have a lot of green lights, but because a lot of them are SUVs, they do. I think I have a few sedans from Greenlight, but this one actually looks really good. And yeah, I think it's a good casting. I don't know how or when it was released. Let me see if there is a date. It just says 2012 Chrysler, so it might be a release from that time. But yeah, it's a good looking casting. Looks really good. Do like the details on it, and I'm glad I bought this one, because I think Matchbox does one, but then the details are not this great on that one. So if you find one, I don't know if there is a new recent release, but if you can find one in stores or stuff, you might want to have a look at it. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.